Hello everyone, my name is Wu Mengyao, and I want to share my study about the themes, trends, and technological application in English e-learning, a systematic review from 2014 to 2024. First is the introduction of my study. Over the past few decades, English e-learning has undergone rapid evolution driven by technological advancement and a growing global demand for English proficiency. Since the 2010s, technologies such as AI, machine learning, and VR have been integrated into English learning platforms, transforming teaching and learning practice. Online learning has been more virtual and widespread, reshaping the landscape of language learning. So this study aims to review research from the past decades through a systematic literature review, identify the developmental trends and key research hotspots in English e-learning. These are key components of this study. First, to identify the research themes, then to explore e-learning theories and models. Next, to investigate the technological application. Finally, to summarize the significance and finding of research in English e-learning education. The steps to analyze are identify data sources and search strategies, then use PRISMA's method to identify screen eligibility and inclusion the study. Then use bibliometric analysis by VOS viewer and quantitative content analysis by Vivo to classify this study. The figure 1 shows that the first stage identified 776 relevant studies by searching for topic keywords in the WOS, and the final sample of 337 articles were entered into the computer software VOS viewer and NVivo for coding. Next, the figure 2 shows that there were 5 clusters from class 1 to 3 through class 5 were online education, COVID-19, English teaching, e-learning, and online learning respectively. Then we use NVivo visualized heritage chart to highlight significant categories like teaching, learning, model, system, method, evolution, theory, student, and platforms. Then we categorize these keywords. So the key theme in English e-learning education research can be categorized and summarized across 5 key areas, like teaching, e-learning, English learning, and student and evaluation. Next is the detail about the key components. First is models, like ADDIE blend or mixed teaching models and another models. Then there are many theories in English e-learning like cognitive diagnosis theory, control value theory, and so on. Meanwhile, there are many online platforms and online tools like MOOC, SPOC, AR, and AR cloud computing, and gamification, and so on. So this review to enter key trends in English e-learning and found 2 major model types. And then there are many tools, enhance learning through flexibility, interactively, and digital literacy. Finally is a conclusion. So this review analyzed 370 studies on English e-learning from 2014 to 2024, revealing the rapid growth driven by technological advancement and the evolving teaching models. Key themes including the real rise of blended mobile and text-based learning, supported by theories on motivation, cognition, and technological acceptance. So this review provides valuable insight for educators, researchers, and policymakers to enhance digital English education in a changing world. So that's all my studies. Thank you so much. If you want to give me some opinions and advice, please contact with me. Thank you.